Hello students, let's welcome back to another session. So here you can able to view my profile, right? This is available on Udemy. So I am having totally 16 years of experience here. I'm not able to update because it's 1 year back it is got updated. So on SAP SD specifically, I'm having around 9 years of experience. Okay, I was part of 4 implementations and I have a huge support tracking experience around 3 years. So after having this experience currently working with one of the big MNC, I'm just not mentioned about the companies where I worked. These are the clients I worked. My current customer, if I would like to tell, some restrictions are there. It's a banking project. It surprises for me. SAP is also there in banking. Okay. So it's S4HANA project, migration project. Okay, that's all about a brief about my SAP SD career. See, guys, it's always important, like, any technology if you take, you need a practice. If you don't have practice, no one cannot help you out. How big institution you have joined. This is the classic say, but it's very, very important. You have to do thorough practice, whichever the tool you would like to learn, whether it is SAP or S4HANA, whether it may be Java. Okay, you should have to spend all your energy levels. Apart from that, you try to confront on your communications. Okay, so this is two tips. Like what I would say, now I'm having around 580 students. Okay, so around 38 reviews are there. This is the brief about my profile. You can see like I have divided SAP SD into basically into 5 to 6 courses. Actually depends on the extensiveness of the course. It's not so easy. Let's see, let's take an example. Today I would like to tell like SAP sales and distribution simple English. Okay, this I explained in simple English to a couple of my students. The same, you know, live videos I have uploaded here. Okay, so what are all the contents it is going to cover in this? You can see basically, it starts with enterprise structure, your basic master data setup. So your account group creation, condition master data, sales document header, sales document item, shipping point determination, delivery item category control, account determination, material listing and exclusion, bill of materials, rush order, SAP SD, basic master data setup, right? Enroll customer master, condition master, and your partner determination is another configuration which has a dependency on your customer master. Material creation, material master, okay. Sales document creation, delivery header controls and billing header controls and item controls, delivery item controls, item category controls, invoice list, cross-selling, cash sales, and written orders. These are the contents I have explained about this course. See, till now I am having a 48 students. You can see the rating, it is 4.2. Okay, I feel that certain students we cannot able to satisfy at somewhere, like it might be lack of the expectation. Any instructor cannot able to reach 100%. That's why out of 5, 4.2, I feel that this is the best rating you can able to take up this course if you'd like to get onto the SAP SD. So let me get into the my instructor profile. I will show you the course contents and what are all the videos I have uploaded over there. Okay. So this is the course, which is like more than 30 hours course. Whatever the contents I have shown, that is got initially when I was developing the course, but apart from that, it is more available actually. If you see the video section, let me show you. Okay. So let me go to the course landing page. So it is around 31 hours content. Okay, with this image it is available. Okay, let me try to get on to the what I would say curriculum. So you can able to get the course contents over here. So you see customer master data, it is extensively explained. Okay, enterprise structure with backup videos, your definition and assignments explained. And so customer master field by field, it is explained, and somewhere repeat will be there based on the student's understanding. And material master, your condition master data. So basically material creation. So you document architecture, which is very important. So what kind of sales documents available, the what kind of item categories available. So your document uh, field explanation, it comes around 6 to 7 videos. And you have a shipping point determination. And again, I extensively explained about item category. It's 4 parts. Okay. And your schedule and category, I have explained, and your route determination and your delivery controls, a couple of parts. And apart from that, your delivery item category and your billing. About your billing document type definition, I have explained field wise. Your account determination, invoice list, cross selling. Okay. So your material listing and exclusion, your bill of materials, bombs, cash sales, rush orders, and sales return, intercompany sales, which is actually in contents I have mentioned. I have forgotten to update over there, but these are the things most available. Apart from the couple of bonus lectures, so Udemy is not allowing to give more bonus lectures, but still I have created 6. Your shipping point determination, your credit memo, debit memo, free goods, and what I would say, I just added free of charge recently to this section. You can able to see I added consignment sales. Okay, so I'm publishing now before you only. So consignment fill up, issue and returns. So all these things around 30. See, it's updated 32 hours once I published. Actually, I forgotten to publish. I have added. So this course is the SD course at, it's not a basic level. So certain topics available. If you would like to subscribe this course, you can subscribe. Let me tell you one more thing. Okay. If I go to the Udemy, I'll just give you the, I'll, I'll give you the referral link if you would like to join. Okay. Below of this course section, if you type, I think I'll give you the referral link. Don't worry about that. SAP sales and distribution, type. Better, I would suggest you just go by referral link, like I'll have a little benefit. So if you see, so this course, what is the rate it is showing? 455. Certain times it is showing 7,000 or 8,000 or something like that. Why it is? Because Udemy has a deals actually. As an instructor, I'm not going to control this price. If I would like to control the price, I can give this course for 100 rupees and 200 rupees also. But they will set the minimum basic price every time. But if you observe, Monday to Thursday, generally Monday to Friday, anytime, sometimes they will try to change the price. When the price is changed immediately, you'll just try to find the link, whatever the link, referral link I'm giving, that link, you can take it and you can able to do it. For example, this is 455. Below 455, I cannot able to do it. So let me go to this course. Okay. So let me go to the instructor. So I'll just, so I'm just pasting this referral link. I'm copying, but I'm just telling, like, I have an option to give, like, what I would say, coupon certain times in a month, like 3 coupons I can able to generate it. For example, Udemy is not reducing the price. So the price is around like, 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees or 2,800 or 1,500 or something like that. Such a case, you need not join this course because it is painful for like a certain students who cannot able to afford like, thousands and thousands. Certain a case, like if they ping me in YouTube, like, if you ping the same link in the comment section and you ask me, sir, I need a coupon. So then I'll generate a coupon. I will give it to you so that you can enter that coupon while price is coming, right? At the time of price is coming, you just use my link. Price is showing, no problem. You can add to the cart. At the time of cart, after adding the cart, you can able to find uh, coupon. That place you can able to enter a coupon, like how you are entering your Amazon coupon or Flipkart coupon, any other coupon like that, you can able to enter it. That I can able to show you specifically on a specific video. So this is all about your basic SAP sales and distribution in simple English. This is 32 hours extensive lecture. If you would like to join, you can able to join it. Thank you very much. I'll provide the link and just subscribe my channel, and I will try to add some videos also that you can listen time to time and you can enjoy this. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.